ஐயோ
நல்லா
சொக்கி இன்னைக்கு சொக்க வைக்கிறாங்க உங்க புடவை சொக்க வைக்காதா?
உங்க புடவை இல்ல டெய்லி வாங்குங்க.
இல்ல வந்து திருச்சியில
நான் சிங்கப்பூர்ல
தமிழ்நாட்டு புடவை
தமிழ்நாட்டுல வந்த புடவை தான்.
ஆமா.
ஹலோ எக்ஸ்கியூஸ் மீ லேடிஸ், உங்க ரெண்டு பேர் சாரி வந்து சூப்பரா அமோகமா இருக்குன்னு எல்லாருக்கும் பார்த்தாலே தெரியும். அதாவது இவங்களோட சாரி அழகா இருக்கு, அது வந்து எல்லாரும் தெரியும், தெரிஞ்ச விஷயம் தான். பட் இருந்தாலும் இதை விட பிரமாதமா அழகான சாரி எல்லாம் நீங்க வந்து பார்க்கணும்னு ஆசைப்படுறது உங்களோட மைண்ட் வந்து கேட்டுச்சு. ஸோ அதனால இப்ப பல அழகான சாரியை கட்டிட்டு வர போறாங்க பெண்மணிகள். Ladies and gentlemen, give a round of applause to welcome a fashion bridal from Grace Ladies. Put our hands together to welcome Madam Sona.
Good evening, everyone. Wish you a very, very happy Diwali. And this is Sona here from Grace Ladies Company, Singapore. Today, actually, we are going to show you a very nice and unique performance. That is the Indian Bridal Fashion Show. So, is it exciting? Indian Bridal Fashion Show, very first time in Singapore. And you know, in India, total 29 states and 23 official languages and 122 major languages. Today we are going to present 11 states of India where you can get 3 things. Very first, like bridal look. What kind of bridal look of each state? Second is the dancing steps of each state. And third is the music and song of each state. So, I hope you all will enjoy and you just make it perfect, right? And so, today, would you like, very first we are going to present Delhi state. So, our Delhi brides are coming on the stage. Multicultural state and very famous for food and lots of historical places. So in the Delhi bridal dress, 2 different things which is very different than other bridal looks of other brides of the state. Very first is the kundan jewelry. This kind of jewelry is very common in the wedding ceremonies. And second is the big border lehenga. This kind of designs, right? So this is the look of the wedding look of the Delhi state. So now, so these are our Delhi brides. Now next brides are presenting Punjab. Hello? Oh, sorry. Okay. Punjab is the heart of Sikh community and very famous language of Punjab is Punjabi. Famous dance of Punjab is Bhangra, right? And Bhangra is very common in Singapore also. A lot of people like to do that dance also. And in the bridal dress, three things are very different than other states. Very first is the Kalidas. This is the Kalidas. So very common in all wedding ceremony in Punjab. And second is the Punjabi suits. Like this, it is really very different and unique than other states. And third is the Paranda. Like this kind of Paranda with the hair. It's a unique kind of hairstyle for the Punjab. So these are our Punjabi brides. Now next is coming to present Uttarakhand. Wow, awesome. So Uttarakhand is called as UK also, not United Kingdom. It is Uttarakhand in India. And this is the state of mountains. Lot of mountains are there. And very common language in Uttarakhand is Kumaoni and Garhwali. It is famous for the tourist places. Lot of tourist places are there. In the bridal dress, two most important things. Very first is the pichoda. This kind of jewelry, it is called pichoda, very unique and must to wear during the wedding ceremony. And second is the very big nut. It is called a nose ring, a very big circle of nose ring. It is must to put on during wedding ceremony. So this is our Uttarakhand bride. Now next bride are coming to present Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. Wow, fantastic. So it was Uttar Pradesh and Bihar brides. UP, Uttar Pradesh, UP is the North Indian state. Famous iconic Taj Mahal is also there. Bihar is also North Indian state. Both are the different states, UP and Bihar, Uttar Pradesh and Bihar. But very near and very common kind of wedding ceremony. So we are presenting it together. And in Bihar is also the North Indian state. Bihar is popular for the Buddhist sites, include Bodhi tree and so many religious temples. Language, very common language of both states are Hindi. So bridal look is also very similar. In Uttar Pradesh and Bihar, lehenga, this kind of wedding dress, and sari, this one also can. So very different thing, two different things than other states. Very first is very heavy embroidery and gota work. This kind of very heavy embroidery in the dresses. Second is the bindi dots on the forehead. Like this kind of small dots on the forehead. It is must to put on these kind of things during wedding. So these are our Uttar Pradesh and Bihar brides. Now next bride are coming to present Rajasthan. Fantastic. So these are our Rajasthani brides. Rajasthan is also a north-western in Indian state, and very common language in Rajasthan is Rajasthani, and it is famous for many historical places. A very famous city, Jaipur, is there. It is called the Pink City because all buildings are in only the pink color, so it is very famous as the Pink City. In the bridal dress, main two different things than other states. Very first is the borla on the head. This kind of borla on the head. And second is the bale booty work on the lehenga. This kind of work, bale booty type of work in the lehenga. So this is must to put on during the wedding time. So these are our Rajasthani bride. Now next bride is coming to present Gujarat. Fantastic. So this is our Gujarati bride. Gujarat is the westernmost state of India. Very common language of Gujarat is Gujarati. It is famous for the textile and modern Indian fabric work. In the bridal dress, two major things which is different than other states. Very first is the dupatta with the leheria work. This kind of work is called the wave kind of design, like leheria work. And second is the lap bangles. These kind of special bangles during the wedding time. So these two things are very different than other states. So this is our Gujarati bride. Now next bride are coming to present West Bengal. Wow, fabulous, right? Okay, West Bengal is a state of eastern India, and very common language in West Bengal is Bengali. Iconic Victoria Memorial dedicated to British Queen is present there. In the bridal dress, three major things which is very different than other states. Very first is the white sari with red border. So this kind of pattern is very common during the wedding. Second is the white color crown. This is called a mukut in Bengali. This one is the mukut is must to put on during the wedding. And third is the betel leaf. This kind of leaf is must to put on in the hand during the wedding time. So they just hide the face with these betel leaves. So these are our West Bengal Bengali brides. Now, next bride is coming to present Maharashtra. Marathi and famous for the Bollywood film industry. It is in Bombay and a great way of India. It is also very famous in Maharashtra. In the bridal dress, three things which is very different than other states. Very first is the shela. This is the special kind of dupatta during the wedding. Second is like green bang bangles. Green color bangle is must to put on during wedding time. And third is the mundawal. This is very important to put on during the wedding. So this is our Maharashtrian bride. Now next bride is coming to present Andhra Pradesh. Ooh, fantastic. Okay, Andhra Pradesh is the southeast state of India and very common language is Telugu. And many famous beaches are there for swimming and surfing. In the bridal dress, three major different things which is very different than other states. Very first is the basikam on the head, on the forehead. This is called the basikam. Second is the black dot on the right cheek. Okay, black dot on the left cheek. And bindi, different kind of bindi style in the Andhra Pradesh bride. So this is our Andhra bride. Now next bride is coming to present Karnataka. Karnataka. Language is Kannada and capital is Bangalore. So in the bridal dress, two different things are there. Sari wrapping, a different kind of sari wrapping there, and jewelry, heavy jewelry within the Karnataka bride. So this is our Karnataka bride. Now next bride